Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will clarify this symbol. This symbol represents contactor. Contactor is a special type of relay used for switching an electric circuit on or off. You see here this contactor with three-phase input, three-phase output, and A1 and A2 for coil. If voltage applied in A1 and A2, contactor will switch on and close the circuit. Otherwise, contactor will switch off and open the circuit. Also, this symbol represents safety relay. Safety relay is a device that generally monitoring safety function in electric board. It is controlled by connecting all safety systems such as emergency, door, and safety barrier in series circuit. So if any break occurs in this circuit, safety relay will switch off main power from board. You see here this safety relay. Also we have here this symbol. This represents photocell with positive and negative voltage, and signal go directly to PLC. You see here this photocell. Also, this symbol represents proximity switch with positive and negative voltage supply, and also signal with normally open contact, and signal go directly to PLC. Also this one, same type of a proximity switch. This proximity switch is used to detect metal. It's used to detect metal plates. Also, this symbol represents encoder with positive and negative voltage supply, and channel A, channel B output signal. So also go directly to PLC. Also, this symbol represents solenoid valve. Signal come directly from PLC to A1, and potential A2 from here. This symbol represents solenoid valve. You see here this solenoid valve with a 24 volt supply voltage for coil.